Assalamu alaikum, my dear student, hope you all are fine. Student, as you know that I have already started with the solution of the question bank which is provided by Maharashtra State Board. So from the poetry and appreciation session, I have already given you the example, the solution of first, you can say, solution of first example of poetry and appreciation. Today we will going to continue. This is the second example from the question bank which is provided by Maharashtra State Board. Okay, so set 4 question number 3a is your poetry and appreciation. This is an exam solution of example 2 from poetry and appreciation. So this is the question bank. Okay, so in example 2, the question bank the question is from a poem Indian Weaver. As you can read the first word weaver, so you come to know this is the poem Indian Weaver. So here this is the question bank. So this activity we will going to solve. We will going to solve the activity of this poem. Question number 3b will be your appreciation. So it is not, always remember student that question number 3a, that is poetry, the extract of poetry and appreciation will differ from each other. It is not necessary, it is not obligatory that question number 3a extract and question number b appreciation will be same. It is not. Both the extract will be from different texts. Clear? So you can see appreciation 2. A foot and light-hearted I talk to the open road. So you can come to that appreciation. You have to write from Song of the Open Road. So these are the questions. Now answer key of question number 3a. First question, that is activity 1. Fill in the columns based on your understanding of the poem. Student, I have already explained you this poem Indian Weaver. Now from the extract you have to find out, that the time of the day which is mentioned in the poem, type of garment, color of garment for whom. Now here some of the blanks are given, some clues are given, some you need to fill. Okay, so first one, day of the time, early in the morning. Which type of garment the weaver used to wear, color of garment used by them, and for whom they were weaving, you have to write. So early in the morning, robes of a newborn baby, they used to make garment of robe of a newborn baby. Color of garment which is mentioned in the extract is blue. For whom? Early in the morning they used to weave cloth for newborn child. Like second one, time of the day. Now type of garment, marriage veils of queen. Now at what time the weaver used? During the fall of night, weaver used to make marriage veil for the queen. Color of the garment is purple and green, which is already mentioned in the extract. And for whom they were weaving? For queen. Now third, time of day. In the dead night, what they used to make? Which type of garment? Dead man's funeral shroud. Type of garment, color of garment, white. For whom they are weaving? For the dead. Okay, so this is the answer. Now activity 2, complete the following web diagram about what weavers compare the garment being woven by them. So weaver compared the garment being woven by them with, first, robe of a newborn with the wing of a halcyon bird. One example is given. They used to compare the garment by them with marriage veils of a queen with the feather of a peacock. They have compared marriage veils of a queen with the feather of a peacock. Dead man's funeral shirt they have compared with the white feather and cloud. And robes of a newborn they compare with the wing of a halcyon bird. Activity 3. Now you have to describe in your own words the step or measure that you would take to solve the problem of a weaver. Student, we were, as you know, they basically come from a middle class family, from a poor family, and the atmosphere in the mill where they used to weave cloth is very dingy and hot. So here, what major you will going to take? I will try to make it better, healthy and comfortable to work. Other thing that since they are working with cotton, there are chances that they may suffer from some respiratory disease. So what major you will take? Once in a 15 days there has to be a medical checkup for them, medical checkup camp for them. So you can, this answer can differ. Whatever you want to write, whatever step you want to take, you can easily put down in your own words. Activity 4. Now the rhyme scheme in the first stanza is AABB. You have to find out the rhyme scheme in the second and third stanza, and also you have to write the rhyming words, pair of rhyming words from second and third stanza. So rhyming scheme of the second stanza is CCDD. You can easily see that. And the third stanza is EEFF. While the rhyming pair of the second stanza is, student, while solving the activity, it is important that you should open the text. Okay? And the rhyming pairs of the second stanza are night bright, green queen. And third stanza are still chill, cloud, shroud. So these are the rhyming pairs of second and third stanza. Next is, you have to compose 4 lines on importance of clothes. Student, you know, clothes are very important. It's a wearing of clothes are considered as a social norm. Okay, so you have to write the importance of clothes. You can write anything. Clothes are means to heighten your personality. Clothes show individual vividity. Clothes protect you from various elements. Clothes are made from various fabric, from various material. You can also write other importance of cloth. Okay. Now question number 3B, that is an appreciation. In appreciation, the extract is given to you. You have to read the extract, and on the basis of the point which is given above, you have to write the appreciation of it. But student, while reading the extract, you must know that the poem is about whom, who is the writer of this poem. So it is important, and it is important for you that you have to memorize the name of the poem as well as the poet of the name of the poem, as well as the poem written by whom. Clear? So first we will going to read the extract. Afoot and light-hearted I take to the open road, healthy free the world before me, the long road path before me leading wherever I choose. By reading the first stanza, we come to know that this appreciation we have to write from Song of the Open Road. So first point is about the poem and about the significance of the title you have to write. Form of the poem, in which form the poet has written the poem, about the theme and its importance, poetic style, language used by the poet and poetic devices used by the poet. What kind of message, moral it reflected, and your opinion and your evaluation of the poem. So we are going to about the poem and poet. As we know, this poem Song of the Open Road is written by a well-known poet, American poet Walt Whitman. He is often called as a father of the free verse. This poem first appeared in his Leaf of Grass, which is published in July 1885. This poem is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. It gives us poet realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school where we get formal education. The title of the poem indicates that poet set up out of door as an auditorium in which all men can come together. Theme of this poem is freedom, where the poet takes open road. You feel healthy, free the world before me. Means being free means being able to do anything you want to do. It means having no trouble upon you, wants nothing, expect to relax. Poetic style. Which kind of poetic style? The poem is written in 4 stanza. first stanza is an exceptional as it contains only 3 lines of verse. The poet has used the free verse with no rhyme schemes. The lines are unrhymed and each line is of different length. Speaker or narrator of the poem is a poet, Walt Whitman himself, who knows himself very well. Language or poetic device. The language used in the poem is very simple and easy to understand. Poetic device, that means figure of speech. Poetic device like paradox, metaphor, alliteration, repetition are used in the poem. Old Delicious Burden is an example of paradox because the word wrote in the title of the is an example of metaphor. Figure of speech repetition is also used in the poem as the word no more is repeated. So while writing the poetic devices and language, you have to give some of the example of poetic devices which is used by the poem. What message or moral this poem gives us? The moral of the poem is that along the journey of life, one will face at least a test of wisdom, which is not tested in any school or college. Rich as well as poor all uses open road that are associated with one another. So road here symbolizes mobility, progress. So we should take road as a starting point of our life. We should not stop or stuck at one place because it is result in stagnation is what the poet feels. What is your opinion about the poem? For me, this poem is a map of progress and it reveals the road of inner or self-happiness in life. It is a poem which inspires to take life positively. I like the following line of the poem. Henceforth I whimper no more, prosper no more and nothing no more. Okay, so this is an appreciation of the poem. In this way you have to write the appreciation of any extract which will given to you with the help of the following poem. Okay, so in next lecture we are going to solve another example, that is example 3. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.